Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Baseball 9, which allows you to get unlimited money. So as you can see, I got over 300,000 right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this on iOS and Android. It's super insane and it fully works. So the first step is to go to this website called ZooMods, which has a bunch of mods for apps and games. So once you're on the website, we're going to go to the search bar. And we're just going to type in Baseball 9. As you can see, it says Baseball 9 mod. So just press on that and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it's super insane and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. And if you feel like you should spend money on the game, just go to the App Store and type in Baseball 9 and you can see how expensive it is. So as you can see, here's the game, and then we go in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, be sure to try my method. It's super cool. This is fully working, as you can see. So yeah, I don't really like spending money on this game. I know some people do, but personally I'm more of a hacker, so this is the best way for me to get rich. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane, fully working. So yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is just go to this site and then go to the search bar and just type in Baseball 9. It should come right up. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Oh, I didn't spell it right. But there it is. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Definitely subscribe because this is super awesome and it fully works. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, this is crazy, bro. Fully working Baseball 9 mod. Pretty cool. So I'll see you later. But yeah, it's pretty cool, guys, so enjoy the content.